Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an updated, well, like yearly, because I do these yearly, what's in my bag video. I've done 3 of these videos now, and I like these videos. I feel like they're not as popular now on YouTube. They were definitely a big thing back in the old school YouTube days, but I personally still love these kinds of like lifestyle videos, and I just like seeing what people carry in their bag, like in a very non-creeper way, but just to get inspiration for like things that I might need to travel with or to carry with me. Obviously, with the panoramic going on, we don't really have that many places to go, or as many as we would have or did prior to 2020. But yeah, I still thought I would film this video just because obviously there are times where I do leave the house, and you know, these are the essentials that I bring. So if you want to see everything in my bag currently, don't forget to please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you know when I post, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into it. Okay, so I feel like I've featured a different bag every year, and this is just honestly the one that I happen to be using now. It's just a crossbody. It's a Gucci Marmont bag. Just, I love crossbodies. There was a while where I was using like the Lululemon Everywhere belt bag just because it was so convenient. But yeah, things are always changing around. I'm always changing up my purses just because I have a few that I like to rotate through, and yeah, this is just the bag that I'm using now, and she's very convenient because it's definitely a nice size where you can use it like day to day, but you can also use it at night, like if you want to go out. So I definitely treat this as both. But yeah, let's just dive into some of the stuff that I carry. Obviously, keys, big thing. Some things I love on my keys specifically, which I don't think I've mentioned before, are a bottle opener, very handy, and then like a flashlight. The next thing obviously is my phone, but I am filming on my phone, so just imagine a phone, you know. Okay, and then the next thing I carry around with me are my AirPods, which, look at this case. If you know me, if you've been watching my videos, which I'm very aware that my What's in My Bag videos tend to be the most watched videos on my channel. So if you are new here and you are not subscribed, this is your first time here, hello, thank you for watching. I love Shiba Inus. I love foxes. My dog is part Shiba Inu. I have an obsession with foxes, like I'm obsessed. But my mom actually got me this cute little case with Shiba Inus on it. They're so cute. But yeah, AirPods are essential for me wherever I am, whether it's on a long walk or a hike, or I'm at a coffee shop working, or, you know, I'm just out and about. AirPods are an essential, and they're so small and compact that I travel with them. I don't have like the AirPod Pros, like the newest fancy generation. These are just, I think, the generation 2s with the standard like earbud thing. And these are great for work calls too, especially working remotely. And yeah, I love that they can charge in the case. And I know some people don't like AirPods because they kind of hurt their ears, but I personally can wear them for hours at a time and not feel annoyed or bothered. So yes. Okay, and then the next thing obviously is a wallet. Actually, this is very interesting because this is a card case that I've had for a while. It's literally from Juicy Couture. I actually ordered a new wallet that should be coming within this next week. It's like a leather zip wallet, and I personalized it from Maison de Sabre. I'm so sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. It's an Australian-based company, and I have like my initials on it, but obviously since it's from Australia, and when I'm filming this video, as of now, I don't have it yet. It's still in transit. But yeah, the reason why I even switched over to a card case is because I mentioned in the beginning of this video that I was using my Lululemon Everywhere belt bag. I couldn't fit a real wallet in there, and I was tired of just loosely putting the cards in like the back pocket because I was worried they would fall out and whatever. It wasn't secure. So when I went home over the holidays, I actually found this in my childhood bedroom, and I was like, oh yeah, that'll do. So as of now, it's not the permanent setup, but it's great for a smaller bag. You can just fit all your cards in here. I have like obviously like my credit cards, Trader Joe's gift cards, which I got for Christmas, which thank you, mom, dad, and my aunt. And yeah, just some stamp cards and other random things you would keep in a wallet. Okay, the next thing in my bag is kind of weird, and I think I may have mentioned it in last year's video, but it might be kind of sensitive to show on camera. But as a woman, unfortunately, I feel like we have to take other precautions, you know, when we're out and about. You know, it's not like we can walk alone on a dark street at night or be in a parking lot at night and not feel like we are completely safe. Unfortunately, that's just the reality that we live in. So I know on TikTok there are things that I've been seeing, like personal alarms that you have on your keychain, which are definitely like good, and I've actually been kind of interested in taking a look at that. But I have this thing. It's called a pepper gun. I'm going to briefly talk about this. I live in Nevada, so these are legal here, but I know in some states, like in California, they're not legal. But yes, this is a pepper gun. Basically, there's like a trigger safety here. You move it, and then you get 2 shots of pepper gel blasted at 90 miles an hour, and it really like incapacitates a person. I also have pepper spray. I feel like everybody has pepper spray, but this is just personally what I carry with me. I have 2 of these. I keep one like in my house and then one on me, just because there's a saying where it's like you'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So yes, as a woman, I recommend carrying some sort of self-defense or protection in your bag whenever you're out and about. I feel like if you've been watching my videos, you would know that I am lip balm obsessed. I'm constantly getting, buying, ordering lip oils. I cannot get enough of lip products, specifically things to keep my lips hydrated, because I have chronically dry lips. So these are just the ones that I have in my bag right now. I really love this one. This is the one that I've been carrying for a few months now, and I spoke about this in one of my favorites videos. This is the Milani Green Goddess Transforming Lip Balm. It looks like this. It's literally one of those lip balms where you put it on your lips and it adjusts to your pH level to give you like a nice subtle natural shade of pink, or something that's a little bit tinted, that's flattering for your personal skin tone. I really like keeping this in my purse specifically because if I am out and about and I need to retouch my lips and I am wearing a little bit of makeup, I like having this because it is a balm, so I don't have to carry a lipstick and I can apply it and throw it on wherever, whenever, without any hassle or fuss. I like that it will transform to a little bit of color because it'll just make me not look dead. So this is great, and the formula is actually really nice as well. It's very hydrating. It's not super duper thick. But yeah, this is a winner. Okay, the next thing that I have in my purse are blotting papers. These are just by the brand Shuamura, but you can get any kind of blotting paper from anywhere. And I personally need these because I am very oily. Now, obviously, I am not out and about for long periods of time. This is really handy when I would be at the office for work, or, you know, outside of my home for an extended period of time or in the heat, and I would need to touch up and make sure my face looked as shine free as possible. But since I am not really in that situation, I don't really use these as much. But blotting papers I think are great to have on the go in terms of like a cosmetic accessory to have on the go in your purse. Next up is hand sanitizer. I am a Bath & Body Works fan. I do Bath & Body Works hauls quarterly. I love seasonal scents. So now that we're in the winter, I bought a pack of these Twisted Peppermint hand sanitizers. So I gave a couple to friends and family. I have one in this purse. I have one in like my work laptop camera bag. I have one like at my desk. I have one in my car. I have one on my dog's leash. I keep one everywhere, especially in these times. I feel like you can never have too much hand sanitizer, even though my hands are definitely paying the price for this bad boy. I don't even want to show it on camera, but they're very dry from constantly washing and sanitizing. But it's just the name of the game, you guys. It's just 2020 things turned into 2021 things. And hopefully by the end of this year, my hands will be a little bit less angry with me because I won't be washing them as much. I mean, you should still always wash your hands frequently, but not like literally every time you move. Do you know what I mean? In my past videos in other bags, since they were bigger, I would typically store these like small miscellaneous beauty products in like another like bag within my purse. But because I am carrying a crossbody at the moment, I don't have the room to do that really, so they're all kind of like loosely in there, all willy-nilly, but it's fine because it's a smaller bag so I can fish for it easily. But to kind of be the antithesis of this, I have to have a hand cream in my bag, folks. This is the Mary Cookie one from Bath & Body Works, and I got it because it has a fox, but also I do love this scent. I have it in a candle as well. I hauled it in my winter Bath & Body Works haul, which I will link down below if you want to see all the candles and stuff I got this winter season. I like the Bath & Body Works hand creams more now because of the virus and because they are very thick, so I love that they keep my hands hydrated for a long time. Like you can see, the consistency is definitely thicker. And I love that they're so small and they're so easy to travel with. So that is why I don't mind carrying this with me at all. In fact, I need this with me every time I get in my car. Sanitize, hand lotion. It's a routine. It's literally like second nature now. I don't even think about it. Okay, another random thing. If you are a contact lens wearer, you can relate. Eye drops, specifically for contact lens. I am somebody who very much needs to be wearing contacts at all times. Otherwise, I can't see. I just use the Refresh brand. I've tried a lot of different brands, but I just look for ones that say contact lens comfort drops for use with soft and RGP or hard lenses. I typically like to carry eye drops with me because if I'm out and about and something happens with your eye, you get dust in it or whatever, or they're really, really dry, you really can't do anything about it unless you have something like this with you to help alleviate that. So that's why I carry these. Sorry, back to the lip category. I told you I carry like 18 million lip products with me at all times. I do carry a gloss with me, and that is the ColourPop and Mulan Luxe Lip Gloss in the shade Phoenix. First of all, I love carrying this gloss because it's so small, and there's something about the packaging that's so satisfying. I don't know if it's because it's like a thicker tube, but it is small and compact, great to travel with. I also love that it's a sheer sheeny gloss, but it is like a copper. It's like a copper champagne gold. And this formula is a little bit sticky, I'm not gonna lie, but it gives you such nice shine, like, and it just stays that way for a really long time on your lips, which is exactly what I need on the go. Now, obviously under a mask, it's not ideal, but if you put it on and then wait like a few minutes and put a mask on, it's not gonna be as bad. But I just love that it keeps your lips hydrated and you don't have to think about it. It doesn't wear off as easily as a balm because it is a thick and sticky gloss. So it's perfect for on the go because of the color. It gives you a nice sheen to whatever lip product you're wearing underneath, or if you're not wearing anything at all, it's a great size and the formula lasts a really long time on your lips. Okay, and then I carry this guy right here. This is a black tourmaline crystal. It looks like this. I spoke about crystals in my best like lifestyle non-makeup products of 2020, which I will link down below as well. But I love carrying this crystal specifically because black tourmaline kind of acts, if you believe in this kind of stuff, but also it's just nice to have. It kind of acts like a force field around you, so it supposedly protects you from negative energy. So I just love carrying this crystal with me like on the go, even if it is a placebo effect, because I can't be like, oh my god, night and day I feel like no negative energy, no bad thoughts ever, no overthinking, no stress. I don't really think it's like a super blatant night and day difference, but I do like carrying it around because I like crystals in general, and I think some of them do have really nice benefits, and yeah, I like carrying this. A couple other random things. I carry this sunscreen stick with me. This is a Pacifica Sun and Skincare Face Stick. I like carrying a sunscreen stick with me because you should always have SPF, number one, and number two, I have a scar right here on my head that I like to put sunscreen on so it protects it from the sun because scar tissue is more delicate. The sun can darken it more easily than it can like the rest of your skin. So I do like carrying a sunscreen stick with me, and also just for everywhere around your face. You know, if you're out and about and you're in the sun for a while, you should always protect yourself as to prevent wrinkles and sun damage and, you know, hyperpigmentation and all that good stuff. And all that bad stuff. It's not good stuff. Really random. I carry a little mirror. Any compact mirror I feel like will do, but I just love this one because it's so small. I don't really use this all that much, but I do like carrying it with me in case I am like out and about, like at a function where I need to look nice, or if I do need to touch up or put on a lip gloss or, you know, whatever. This is great because I feel like for any of these personal care items, you don't necessarily need a mirror, but it's definitely nice to have, just so you can monitor, you know, the appearance if you so need. Okay, two more things. One is this that I actually just threw in my bag. This is a random little travel perfume, and to be honest, I don't know what perfume this is. I got it as a sample in Sephora, and I was decluttering my makeup drawers, which a decluttering video is coming soon, but that is how I got this in my purse, was because I was looking through all of my small travel perfumes and I was throwing a lot of them out because they were all old, but I was spraying a couple of them, and this one actually smells quite nice. I don't know what scent it is, but yeah, any travel perfume I feel like would be a good asset to have in your purse. You can always refresh during the day, or if you feel like you smell bad, this will come in handy. It does. I don't know which one this is, but it smells very fresh. Okay, and then last but not least, I threw in a concealer because this is something that, again, with wearing a mask, if you're touching up, I just felt like I would like to have something like this because I have so many concealers. I figured why not just throw it in my bag. This one is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. This is a spot concealing shade for me, and I like this one because it is a little bit of a thinner formula. It's not super duper highly pigmented, so when you are touching up, or if you are like concealing things like that would go underneath your mask, and you know you're not wearing really any other makeup, it won't look super duper harsh on your skin. It's not going to have like a super stark contrast, so that is why I like this one in my bag, because it's just on the go and really, really nice. So yeah. All right, everybody, and that was it for my What's in My Bag 2021 edition. Let me know what you keep in your bag down below. If you have any similar items, I would love to know your thoughts as always, just so I can get a little bit of inspiration. You know how it goes. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, please, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Mwah! Bye!